How to curve text in Google Slides. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can curve your text in Google Slides. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, just open up your Google Slides and let it be. In another tab, simply search for Curve Text Generator. And after you do that, just hit enter and there you can see Curve Text Generators. There we go, it's right here. Tap on this website right here and it should open up. While this opens up, you can head down below and hit the like button. So right here, you will see this option. Now what you can do is enter your text right here. So let me just type in subscribe. And after you do that here, you can see the curved text. And also you can see different options, how you can curve it. So if you want to curve it like this, you can do that. And if you want to align it, you can simply do this. And after you do that, if you want another curve that is somewhat like this, it can just work like that. And after you do that, you can simply download this as PNG and paste it here. Now, other option that you can use is simply search for curved text generator again. There are a lot of different sites that can help you generate this. After you search for that, you will see curved text generator. You can go ahead and try other websites as well. So let's try this one right here. And after you do that, you can now simply change this curve. You can see, you can repeat the text as well if you want to, and you can draw a line as like this. Now, after doing that, you can simply download this and yeah, you can export this text by downloading. And right here, go ahead and paste this. So there we go. That is how you can generate a curve text on your Google Slides. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.